Nice. You got it. Maybe cut to the right when you go up. There you go. Now cut to the left. Nice, Alan. Nice driving, Alan.
All right.
Hell yeah. You caught on the left, so yep, there you go. Hell yeah.
Leave it there. Go ahead.
No. I'll wait for you to go because I don't want to. I'm gonna jump it. I don't want to hit your car. It's a pretty car, man. I don't want to hit it. Nice.
There you go. Come on, pull down. There you go. That was a good boy. Nice. Not bad for a brush motor. I'm totally impressed.
Brush motor, man. Honestly, some of my crawlers, I just been leaving them brushed down.
The kid that came with us, I can't think of his name. He hasn't been out in a while. He was like, "You're the only one coming back with stuff." I'm like, "Yeah, that's what I came here for."
Yeah.
Never mind, it was fun. That park was great. It was right on a river, tons of rocks. You can't beat Pennsylvania.
Oh yeah, no. Pennsylvania, Connecticut, at least on the east side, got some nice crawling.
I'm not terribly disappointed with this suspension.
No, you're doing pretty good, man.
That was one in Pennsylvania. We're giving away X-Acto knives to promote his company. So I got a bunch of those.
Oh shit, nice.
There was a guy giving away
Nice. Yep. Perfect. Perfect, Alan.
unfucking believable.
See if we can make it. All right, gonna do some rock bouncing.
You got desert lizards in that you put in?
No.
That's the way it's
No. It, man.
That's why I said, come over to the house. Is there anything you want to take? You're fine. You're fine. They're the best tires, but they're good. Good size.
Yeah.
Ty gave me these tires. Even the steering servo I put in this is one I got from the Farm Fest.
Oh, really?
It's a Vanquish.
Oh, yeah, you can't beat that. She's got at least 200 ounces.
Yeah, it's good steering servo.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Plenty.
Yup.
That was another steal. Oh my God.
Mm-hmm.